In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email upsell in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have an automated email that offers an upgrade or add-on right after someone submits a form, helping you increase revenue with minimal effort. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the automation area on the left menu. This is where all of your workflows live. Click to create a new workflow and choose Start from Scratch so you can build exactly what you need without any preloaded steps. Next, add a new trigger. Use the search bar to find Form Submitted, then select it. This tells the workflow to begin the moment a contact completes your chosen form. If you're prompted, pick the specific form tied to your offer so the right people receive the upsell. Save the trigger to lock it in. Now you'll add the email action. Click the plus sign to insert a new step, search for Send Email, and select it. Give the action a clear name such as Upsell Email so it's easy to find later. Fill in a recognizable from name and a verified from email to enhance deliverability and trust. Write a compelling subject that highlights the benefit of the upsell. Keep it short, specific, and curiosity driven. Add a pre-header, also called preview text. This supports your subject and can boost open rates by clarifying the value or the timing of the offer. Click to create the email content. You'll see options like Quick Compose, the Smart Builder, or selecting an existing template. For this walkthrough, choose Quick Compose to get a simple editor fast. Type your message with the upsell in mind, acknowledge what the contact just did, present the upgrade or add-on as a logical next step, and emphasize a clear outcome they'll get. Keep paragraphs concise, use scannable lines, and include a single, unmistakable call to action link or button. Personalization tokens, like the contact's first name, can help engagement if you use them sparingly and accurately. Open additional settings to review items such as tracking and reply handling. Make sure link tracking is enabled and avoid large attachments to protect deliverability. Before you roll it out, add one or more test emails so you can send yourself a preview. Check formatting on desktop and mobile, verify that links work, and confirm that the subject and pre-header look good in your inbox. When everything looks right, click Save Action. That's it. Your workflow now listens for a form submission and automatically sends your upsell email at the perfect moment. This simple setup can meaningfully increase your average order value with almost no ongoing effort.